in the Meta Ads Manager. And here we have two different options. Once you create a form, so once everything is done, as you can see, how you can create a instant lead form campaign, how you can get that leads directly to the sheet by integration, and I will let you know how to do it. Then you can contact them and convert them easily. Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we will discuss another interesting topic in Meta Ads, and that is how you can create a instant lead form campaign in the Meta Ads Manager, and how you can get that leads directly to the sheet by integration. So all those topics will be discussed in the today video, and I will let you know how to do it, how to create an instant lead form campaign, and how to integrate a Google spreadsheet with that particular form so that you can get the leads directly to your sheet, and then you can contact them and convert them easily. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. So first of all, you just need to open your Meta Ads Manager, where you can create campaigns, as I'm already on the dashboard. So from here you just need to click on the create button, and once you click on it, it will ask you different objectives. As videos I have already told you about the other objectives, how they work. So today we are creating an instant lead form campaign. So what I'll do is I will choose the leads objective here, and I will click on the continue button. And once I click on it, it will give me the two options: tailor leads campaign, that is a AI generated campaign, and one other one is manual. So I will click on the manual leads campaign because with manual creation we have a more control on the campaigns, and we can do different targeting, more detail. So now we just need to click on the continue button, and after that it will redirect you to the campaign level, where you just need to choose your campaign objective. As I have already choose it, auction and lead is my objective because I need instant lead. So I will choose lead as objective, and here we have two different options: campaign budget and ad set budget. So I will if you want to run a single ad set, then I will already recommend you, then you need to choose the campaign budget section. And if you want to create different ad set in a same campaign, so I will recommend you to choose the ad set budget. So it totally depends upon you how you can use it. And as I want to create a single ad set, so I will choose the campaign objective here, and here I will choose the budget $10. And after that I will click on the next button, and once I click on it, it will redirect me to the page where I can choose our conversion location, because there are two ways to redirect the visitor to our ads. In one way, what you can do is you can redirect the visitor directly to your website, and the another one is you can redirect the visitor directly to your instant lead form. So I will choose instant form here. If you want to redirect your visitor directly to the website and give them two options, so you can choose the website and instant form as well. As right now I only want to redirect the visitor to our instant form, so I will choose the instant form option. After that you need to choose the page. As this is my page, so I have already chosen it. Then if you have different page, you can choose it here as well. And after that you can choose the performance goal as a maximum number of leads, because we need maximum leads, we need to get more out of this campaign. So I will choose maximum number of leads here. And after that, here in the audience section, as I've already told you, here you need to choose your audience, like which particular age group your targeted audience is. So I will choose, as my targeted audience is from above 25 age group, the people who have age of above 25 age group is my targeted audience. So I will use minimum age 25, and then in the additional suggestions I will choose the age group to 25 to 55. So this is my targeted age group, so I have choose it as well. And after that you can choose the gender, like which gender option you want to target. Like I want both gender in my campaign. I want to show them ads like on male and female as well. And here the detailed targeting option, where if you are targeting lawyers, so you can choose the lawyers as well. As my targeting audience is basically the marketing guys, the marketing officers, so I will here put marketing. Yes, as you can see, marketing business, people who have interest in marketing. So I will choose, so it's just I'm just testing it, so you can do it as your own ways. So you can choose another options as well, as this is my targeted audience, so I will choose it in the detailed targeting option. And after that you need to choose where you want to show your ads, like on which placement. Like Meta always recommend advantage plus placement, but I will not recommend this because we don't have more control to run our ads if we choose this option. So I always recommend choose manual option, where you can decide whether you want to use these particular options or not, whether you want to use audience network or not. If you want only to show your ads on Facebook and Instagram, you can do it from here. So that is why I'm always recommending you the manual placements, because we have more control on it. And after that, you can also from here you can choose the feeds, on which particular feeds you want to show your ads on, and on which particular feeds you don't want to show it. As I've always recommend, do not show your ad on search results, because the people who are on the search results are not the accurate audience which we want to target in our campaigns. So I will always recommend don't do that. And after that, as you have the other options as well, whether you want to show your ads on mobile devices, or you want to show your ads only on Android devices, or you want to show your ads only on iOS devices. So you can do it from here. So as you are the business owner, so you know your business more, so you know whether your targeted audience using which particular platform, whether it's Android or iOS, so you can target the campaign, like targeting the structuring accordingly. So after that, everything is done. From here you need to do is go to the ads level, and at the ad level, firstly you just need to choose your Facebook page on which you want to show the ads. And after that, in the ad creative option, you just need to in the ad creative option, you just need to add the image or video. As I want to use the image, so I will use an image here. So this is the test ad which I am creating. So you can do it at your convenience. You can create a particular image as per your describable services. That image will describe your services that need to be done here. So I will use this image right now, because this is my basically this is my services which you have given to the clients. And after that, you can add the primary text here, like you can say the Meta ads content, which you can showcase to visitor when they will show your ads. At the top, this content will be shown, and you can choose the headlines here as well. Like let me choose the headlines, get our services. So whatever you will write there, it will be showcased here. And after that, you can choose the call action as well. As my call to action is get a quote, and you can choose it from the different option. As you can see, apply now, download, so you can choose it from different options. I will choose the get quote here. And after that, the main thing is coming now. Instant form. We are creating a instant form ad, so we are redirecting the person directly to the form. So as you can see, we have the option to create a new form. As let me show you how it will look like. Once you create a form, it will ask for the information, like whether you want to add the form in more volume or higher intent. I will always recommend please use higher intent option, because with the higher intent option, the lead quality will be much better. Sometime in more volume, the autofill option will automatically fill up the forms, and the customer will not able to know whether they have filled it or not. When you connect with client, they told me that they didn't have filled it that. So that is why I will always recommend do the higher intent. And if you want more quality, then you can choose this option as well, like require the lead to verify their phone number. It means when somebody submit the form, they will need to put their number here. But yes, For this one, sometimes people are not able to do that. People are not doing that because they think there is some kind of scam in it. So I will not choose this option in my campaigns. But yeah, if you do higher intent, then definitely the lead quality will be much better, equivalent to the more volume. So after that, you just need to click on the next button, and here you can add the headlines or paragraph. It's just options. I will show you how it look like. After that, you need to add a caution, like which particular information you want from the client, like the email, phone number, whatever information you want to get from the client, you can add it here. You can add some other informations as well if you want their date of birth, gender. So all these predefined options are already available. You just need to choose it. Like I will choose gender, and it will give you the questions in another campaign. So in this way you can ask question from your client. After that, it will ask for the privacy policy. So what you can do is you can choose your privacy policy page from the website, and then you can choose it from here. So as I have already created a form, so let me give you an overview. As here's the form name. I have used more volume here. If you want, you can use higher intent as well. And here is the headline, paragraph, which will showcase when somebody start the form. And after that, there are questions which I have like full name, email, phone number. I just want these three options. So if you want another information, you can add it from here, add category, and from edit you can edit it from here, and you can add another questions as well in your form. And after that, I have added the privacy policy page of my website here, and here is the link text which will be showcased here, and then it's ending. Go to the website. Like I have if you want, you can use your number as well in the last of the forms, as I have choose website. So once somebody fill up the form, the option will come view website, and they will redirect to my website so that they will get more information about it. So once it's done, you can see the leads here. Like I have already published the campaign. So once everything is done, as you can see, lead form, here is the campaign which is published. So the lead is the lead which is coming to this form. So this is how you create a form, like basically instant lead form campaign in the Meta Ads campaign. So please let me know if you have any query or concern regarding this. You can comment below in the YouTube section, and you can directly contact me through the number flashing on the screen as well. So thank you so much for your time. Bye bye.